In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use advanced sizing and units with Wix Studio. If you've been looking to optimize your site design with precision, then this is the perfect tool for you. We'll walk through the process step by step to make sure you feel comfortable using these features. First, you'll want to head over to Wix Studio. Start by navigating to your site. This is where all the magic happens, and from here, we'll dive into the more intricate parts of the design process. Once you're in your site dashboard, it's time to gear up for some efficient and detailed editing. Next, find the inspector. This is a crucial tool that you'll be using frequently within Wix Studio. Think of it as your magnifying glass to get a closer look at all the elements on your web page. The inspector allows you to examine and modify properties of different components, providing you with the control needed to make precise adjustments. Now, within the inspector, you'll see 3 dots located under the size section. These dots are your gateway to unlocking more detailed settings for your design elements. A simple click here will open additional options for you, setting the stage for deeper customizations. Let's move forward to enabling the advanced settings. You'll find a switch that allows you to toggle these settings on or off. Once you switch it on, a whole new world of options becomes available, allowing you to have more granular control over how your design elements are sized and spaced. These advanced settings can be incredibly useful for those who need their design to be pixel perfect or who want to ensure their site looks consistent across different devices. With the advanced settings now active, it's time to adjust the width and height of your elements. This is where you can really get creative. The ability to specify exact dimensions means that you can tailor the appearance of your site to match your vision precisely. Whether you're designing a sleek, minimalist site or crafting a bold, intricate layout, these controls allow you to set the dimensions that best suit your needs. Keep in mind that the proportions and positioning of your elements can significantly impact the user experience, so take your time and make adjustments thoughtfully, and there you have it, a comprehensive guide to utilizing advanced sizing and units in Wix Studio. By mastering these steps, you can refine your design with unmatched accuracy, ensuring that your Wix site not only meets your aesthetic goals but also functions seamlessly. I hope this walkthrough has been helpful and has provided you with the insights needed to enhance your design process. Thank you for joining today, and feel free to revisit this guide whenever you need guidance. Happy designing!